Hi students, in this part we can learn about simple trick to learn periodic table, first 20 elements. So what the way to easily remember first 20 elements. First period, period 1 it is the shortest period. It contains only two elements, hydrogen and helium. So what is the simple word to represent that period 1 element? Hi, hello. Here hi represent hydrogen, hello represent helium. So hi, hello. Second period, second and third period is known as short period. It contains only 8 elements. So period 2, how we remember period 2 elements? Little Betty became Charles' number 1 friend and neighbor. Again, little Betty became Charles' number 1 friend and neighbor. Here little represent lithium, Betty represent beryllium, became represent boron, Charlie's carbon, number nitrogen, 1 oxygen, friend fluorine, and neighbor represent neon. Okay, so this sentence is for period 2. Little Betty became Charles' number 1 friend and neighbor. And next period 3. That period 3 is also short period. It contains only 8 elements. What is the sentence used to remember period 3 elements? Naughty Maggie always sings perfect song climbing around. Naughty represent sodium. So naughty Na means sodium. Maggie Mg magnesium, always aluminium, sings silicon, perfect phosphorus, song, sulfur, climbing, chlorine, around, argon. And period 4, that period 4 is also that long period, but in our portion it contain only 2 elements, up to 20 elements only. So potassium and calcium is for our syllabus. Okay, potassium and calcium. So period 1, hi, hello. Period 2, Little Betty became Charles' number 1 friend and neighbor. And period 3, Naughty Maggie always sings perfect song climbing around. And period 4, potassium and calcium. So in this way we shortly represent first 20 elements. Okay, or otherwise hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. In this way only we remember. So I hope this is the easiest way to remember first 20 elements. Hi, hello, Little Betty became Charles' friend and Charles' number 1 friend and neighbor. Naughty Maggie always sings perfect song climbing around. And last one, potassium and calcium. So electronic configuration. So period 1 contain only one shell. Period 2 contain two shells, K and L. Period 3 contains 3 shells, K, L, M. Period 4 contains 4 shells, K, L, M, N. Okay, so the in a period 1 electrons are filled in first shell. So hydrogen only one electron, so it filled in K shell. And helium 2 electrons are there, so electrons are filled in first shell. The maximum capacity of holding electron of first shell is 2. So it complete the electronic configuration of the first shell. So the capacity of holding electrons are 2. So 2 electrons are completely filled in helium. So it known as inert gas. It won't react with any other elements. Okay, so it inert in nature, so it called as inert gas. Next, period 2. Period 2 contain 2 shells. So electron first shell completed and new electrons are entered into the period shell second. Okay, so here we see the lithium first shell. The maximum capacity of the first shell is 2. So first shell completed, the next electron enter into that another shell, second shell. Okay, so like that only it filled. The maximum capacity of the second shell is 8 according to 2n squared formula, 8. Okay, so in neon 2 comma 8, the electronic configuration of neon is 2 comma 8. It is the complete electronic configuration. The first shell is also completely filled and second shell also completely filled. So it is inert in nature. It won't react with anything. Okay, so it called as a inert gas. And next to period 3, the period 3 first shell completed, second shell also completed. Next electron enter into which cell? Third shell. So the third shell, the maximum capacity to hold how many electrons? 18 electrons. Okay, so the period 3 elements contain 3 shells. Okay, first one sodium. Sodium, the electronic configuration 2 comma 8 comma 1. Here 2 first shell completed, 8 second shell also completed. Next new electron enter into the third shell, KLM shell. Okay, like that only that period 3 elements are filled. Period 3 elements, the electrons are filled. And finally argon, the electronic configuration is 2 comma 8 comma 8. Here the 2 filled, first shell completely filled, 8 second cell also completely filled. But here the period 3, the maximum capacity is 18. But here it contains only 8, but it is a inert in nature. Why? Because octet electronic configuration is more stable. Okay, so it attain a inert nature. So argon is also called as inert gas or inert element. Okay, next period 4. Here maximum capacity is 8. Next, why the electrons are enter into the another shell? Because 8 after 9, 10 like that up to 18 we may filled. Then why electrons are enter into the fourth cell? Because according to that energy level, the lowest energy level is first filled. So compare then a third shell, the lowest energy is present in the fourth shell. So electrons are enter into the fourth shell. So the electronic configuration of potassium is 2 comma 8 comma 8 comma 1. Calcium is 2 comma 8 comma 8 comma 2. This potassium and calcium only have this kind of electronic configuration. Okay, remaining all are we write in easiest way, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. But in potassium and calcium, keep on your mind 2 comma 8 comma 8 comma 1, 2 comma 8 comma 8 comma 2. Okay.